Good afternoon, friends. This is Hitesh from Anukelkas Python Academy. So today I will back with the sub problem statement from HackerRank, which is based on SQL, and we are now moving to the advanced join function. Okay. So let's see what is the problem statement here. You are given a three table. We are given three tables: students, friends, and packages. So student contain two column ID and name. Friends contain two column ID and friends ID of the only best friend. Okay, so in the friends column the ID they had provide their ID or of only best friend. Okay, and friend ID is a unique ID of that friend. Package table contain two column, that is ID and salary. Offered salary in so basically salary should be given in thousands dollar per month. Okay, so let's see what is the column of the respected all these three table. So in student table we have two column, that is ID and name. ID is of integer type, name is of string type. Friends table is there, we have two column again. ID is of integer type, friend ID is of integer type. Okay, last table is there packages. So package again contain package ID which is of integer type and their salary. What are the salary in terms of float? So we have to write a query to output the name of all the student, those student whose best friend got offered highest salary. Okay, so we have to write a query for those student whose best friend offered or get a highest salary than them. Name must be ordered by salary offered. So name should be display in terms of salary should be ordered by ascending order. By default order by clause will display the data in ascending order, that is lowest to maximum. It is guaranteed that no two student got same salary offer, so we have to take a prediction precaution. We don't allow those student who got the same salary offer. Okay, what are the inputs? So these are the inputs of the respected all the three tables. So in student table we have IDs there 1 2 3 4 and the name of the student is Ashley, Samantha, Julia, Scarlett. Sorry. So in friend table friend ID and respected friends ID. So here in friend table ID first ID 2, they have the ID of friend 2. So here Samantha is there, 3 Julia is there, 4 Scarlett is there, and fourth ID belongs to the Ashley. Next table package again ID, that is of 15.2 crore thousands per dollar, that is to the respected friend ID. To those Samantha got the 15.2 thousand dollar. 10.6 got to Julia. 11.5 dollar thousand dollar to fourth one Scarlett. 12.12 thousand dollar got the fourth, and that is friend Ashley. Okay, so we have to write the output for it, and these are the some explanation given to you. You have to go through this explanation. It will helpful for you to get the easily understood the problem statements. Let's go through the query. So I will choose here MySQL. Okay, so we have what we have to find out. We have to find out the student name. Okay, so for that we will write select from what are the table name here, students, and their alias is given as name of the student is S. So instead of writing complete name of table student, we can write S. Then we will join next table, that is friend, F on S dot ID. First we write the complete table, join Next table, that is packages. The alias is P1. Next, join packages P2 on, sorry. Next we have to write the condition where P1 means we will give the alias to P1 to package salary. So P1 salary should be greater than P2 salary. P1 dot salary greater than P2 dot salary. Okay. Next we have to order by P1 salary. Now here we have to write again condition here. So friend F, that should be joined with the student S. So in friend and student, ID is a common column. So we can write F dot ID is equal to P1, sorry, we can join with the student to the friend table. So alias of student table is S dot ID with the second table friend. Package 1 again join with the, in the package 1, ID is the common column which can join with the ID of the friends column on F dot friends ID join with the students of ID, that is a package of ID, that is P1 dot ID. Next one, second package again join with the on students ID, that is S dot ID is equal to P2 dot ID, that is the P2 means from package table. So here we got the now we will compare the salary of the package table with the salary of the package 2 table. So we had write the query. Now we will, let's see, run the query whether we will get correct output or not. Here some error is there, you have error. So we will try with another one in Oracle, for example. Again some error is there from student. Okay, here we didn't get the name. When we get the name column from the student table, so we have to write s dot name. Here we have to write, we didn't return the what we get while executing this query, s dot name. Yes, now it may be run. Yeah, so we got the name of all those students who got the high. We got the all those students, those who got the highest salary to their friend. like as we had applied the join. It is very simple, but we have to, before applying this query, first we have to understand which on which column of the table is joined with the next column of the table, and how many joins we have to apply here. So basically we had given a three table, that is a student, friend and packages. For finding the highest package, finding the high students, those who got the highest package, for that we had applied the join three times on four table. One table is repeated as the alias is different for the same table, that is a p1 and p2, which is belongs to the same table, that is packages. And in each of the table there is a common column through which we can join the table. So in student and friends we got the common column, that is id. Again friends and packages as a p1, we again got the common column, that is friend id and id. And in package we join with the package 2. These are the same table which we had writing with the self join means a table which can join with own, a table which can join with a own table or with itself, that is a self join. So here we can apply the self join and packages, that is p1 and p1, this is areas. So same package which can be joined with they are providing the matching key, that is the id, but a different table name. Okay. And where we compare the salary of the as a different name from the same table, that is package, with the p1 and p2. If the salary of the first package table is greater than the salary of the second package table, that should be provided their respective name. From the name should be given, name should be we got the name from the student table, and that student should be print in ascending order. That's why we can use order by clause here, that when we can get the salary from the package one table. So that's why we are write the query. I hope you got the answer for this. Let's see what we get the answer. Yeah, we got the start Priyanka, Paige, Jan, Julia, Velvet, Amina, Christine, Scarlett, Priya, Mira. These are those students, those their friends who got the highest package. Okay, so this is of today. If you have any query regarding this, please do comment or subscribe this channel. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.